Hey guys, it's Vaughn and thanks for joining me for another vlog. I wanted to pop in with this quick disclaimer before you guys start watching. I was originally not going to post this vlog because I thought it was a little bit boring, but I did a couple polls on Instagram and the overwhelming majority of you guys said you wanted me to post it anyway. Turns out many of you prefer my calmer, more low-key vlogs, so this one is for you. Good morning, you guys. Look, Ann, say good morning. We gotta wash her hair today. It's kind of a mess. But anyway, y'all, I pulled out the juicer, honey, because it's about to go down. So what I'm about to make this morning is some type of blend with apples. These are Granny Smith, and then the beets. Ann is having her fruit over here. She ate all the clementines, but she didn't eat the apples. But let me show y'all something. So I went to Walmart yesterday and I got this pack of 10, I think. Quart capacity jars. No, it's a pack of 12. I wanted to have my juice and smoothies out of these mason jars, you guys. I've just been kind of obsessed. You know, I follow a bunch of like vegan raw Instagram pages and they have these cute drinks in these jars, and I'm like, you know what? It's kind of a good idea. I mean, it's easier to clean because you're cleaning glass, and sometimes fruits and veggies like to stick to plastic. So this is actually more practical anyway. So we're getting started on it this morning, and I've got my mason jar here and I'm ready. And yeah, I gotta do dishes. I gotta do dishes. So to the mix, I've added some raspberries and strawberries down in there. So let's get juicing. This is how much juice I have, so not very much. I'm tripping on how pretty of a pink this is. It's like fuchsia or something. Looks like dragon fruit pink, but there's no dragon fruit involved. But anyway, this is my breakfast. So it's about 7:30, 7:45 in the morning. I just woke up, me and Ann. So I do realize I might look a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Y'all know I never gave a damn about looking a mess on here. I come on here any kind of way because y'all know how I do. So lately, right, the last maybe 1 to 2 weeks, I have been insanely bloated. Like bloated to the point of like having to choose outfits around the bloat. So that's when you know that it's gone to the next level. So I committed this week to just consuming all mostly raw foods. So I've been doing my juicing pretty much throughout the day, and then at night I'll have some, well, for breakfast I'll usually have something solid, and then I'll have like juice throughout the day, and then maybe for dinner I'll have something solid. Just depends on how I feel or how tired I am. Last night I became really tired around 7:30, 8 o'clock, so I actually went to sleep with Ann, and I'm waking up now, so I feel really refreshed and great. So yesterday was a fantastic day of eating mostly raw. I went to the gym in the morning, like it was pretty fantastic. But I'm doing this because something is not right on the internal tip. Like something is off. There's no reason I should be retaining this much water and this bloated. So in addition to consuming mostly raw fruits and vegetables, I'm also drinking a lot more water. That's probably my problem, but I'm just going to overall revamp my diet right quick, you know, just kind of like a hard reset, and just come in with deliciousness like this, and hopefully I will see some results in about a week. Let's see. Finish the dishes right quick. Most of them are in the dishwasher, but the rest of them are up here on the counter because there's no room for this big bulky stuff. That's why I hate juicing, because it's always like this whole production afterwards. You have to clean all this stuff. And then this basket thing that separates the pulp from the juice, this thing is like, oh my goodness, like you don't even, if you guys juice at home, you already know how tough this is to clean. So I use this little brush to do it, but still, man. So I just have everything laid out here, and then some of the other bulky stuff here. And now I'm having some coffee in my Wendy Williams mug. I love her. So today is kind of a boring day, just a typical Saturday morning. It's about 9:30 right now. I'm just gonna finish my coffee. I'll probably sit outside on my patio for a little bit. Speaking of patio, you guys excuse my hair. I washed it yesterday and put some conditioner, and so today is hair day for me and Ann, so excuse our hair. But I'm so excited about the patio. It's pretty much done. I'm just waiting on Home Depot to come put this fence in. We do have a date for the fence installation. It's gonna take about 3 days. Usually when they tell you that, it's really gonna be like 2 days. They always just want to under promise and over deliver, so I get it. But I'm so excited because we finally have a scheduled date, so it is happening. The yard is pretty much done, you guys. I haven't done anything with the actual landscaping yet because I'm thinking we may have to wait until next year, because as far in the year as we are right now, all the nurseries are done selling stuff, and for the time of year that it is in terms of the season, it's not really the smartest thing to plant some plants right now because they may not survive. So I probably won't do anything with the landscaping until next year, so that's a bummer. But I'm really excited about everything we were able to do in the yard. It's pretty much done. It's my dream patio, you guys. Everything turned out exactly as I had envisioned it. I am so excited and super proud of it. So I can't wait to show it to you guys, but I'm just gonna wait until the fence goes in so you guys can see it like fully done. But if you've been following me on Instagram, then you've seen some of my little sneak peek snippets. And I just wanted to say this because a lot of you guys were recommending to me that I wait until later in the year to make purchases for the patio furniture and stuff like that. But what I have found through shopping is that when you wait to the end of the season, everything is on sale, so that's good. But you get all of the leftover stuff, all the picked over stuff. You can't make any special orders. You can't dictate anything. You have to just get what's left. And I do not like shopping like that. For some people, it'll work. Like if you go and you see exactly what you want, then you're a lucky one. But for people like us, when we were shopping, we had very specific colors and textures and stuff in mind. And we were running into a lot of issues trying to get the exact stuff we wanted because it is the end of the season. So I don't know if I would recommend that. Bath time. Okay, my braids are done. They just have to dry. So now I'm gonna go do Anne's hair real quick. Okay, so I'm about to wash Anne's hair the old-fashioned way. Laying her on the sink ledge because I didn't feel like doing it in the shower today, you guys. I just did not, honey. And to wash her hair, I'm using the last of this Eden Body Works Coco Shea Kids shampoo, and then our good old trusty, what we always love, the Aunt Jackie's Girls Soft and Sassy Super Duper Softening Conditioner. This is probably our favorite conditioner. It's okay. She doesn't like this. See, I like doing it in the shower. B-I-N-G-O. It's okay. Okay. Like that. It's okay, mommy. Yes. But your hair is really conditioned and nice. It's real conditioned, Anne. We're gonna do some twists like mommy. Me and Anne have the same hair length right now, I think. Pretty close. Okay, now we're gonna just finish twisting. We're using the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Yeah. And I'm just breaking it into little sections and twisting. It needs to be detangled and put in a protective style for a couple of days, at least through the weekend, and then she can probably wear a twist out when she goes back to school on Monday. As you can see, her hair is very easy to detangle since we use that conditioner.
What is it?
Yeah. Okay, let me get the other side. Just medium-sized sections. It's okay, mommy. We're almost done, okay? Are you waving? Hi? Hi. Last one. And then we're gonna be all done. All done. Wait, last one. 1, 2, 3. All done. All done. Oh, all done, okay? I'm about to make Anne her lunch. This is just a mixed vegetable. I'm whispering because Anthony is back there on the phone with his partner. But anyway, I'm getting ready to serve this to her alongside some pizza that her dad just warmed up. Okay, so Ann has her little lunch here. I'm hoping she eats her veggies. If you saw my last Autism Mom vlog, you already know the struggle with these veggies, but as you can see, we've overcome quite a bit. If you haven't seen that vlog, definitely click the link and check it out. So my lunch is up next. So we're just gonna do some raspberries, blueberries, some of this coconut milk. I'm gonna blend it up and make a smoothie. I'm also gonna add some nectarine to that just to see if the flavor is nice. And then I'm probably going to add some of this Sport Recovery protein to it. And then this is about to be my lunch right here. Y'all, I'm telling you, I'm serious about this bloat, okay? It's gotta go. All right, my lunch is served. I added some Old Bay and different types of seasoning to this to make it taste good. And then this is my smoothie. I added some banana to it as well. So, looks really good. Let's see how it tastes. I definitely love the color. Very good. Okay, it's lunchtime, part 2 for me because I'm starving. So I'm getting ready to make some more juice with all of these ingredients here. And this is what I'm having to eat. Just some kale, corn, and some vegan Italian sausage. You know what I'm saying? If you're happy, you know, say hooray.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know, say hooray.
Hooray!
No, stop it. Good morning, you guys. So it is about 8:30. We're just down here about to get breakfast started. I want to share something really quick that I'm doing this morning. So here we go. We recently had a little ant problem. And I had to have an exterminator come out. But as I was waking up this morning, I had this thought, and I'm like, you know what? A lot of this bagged stuff in here that's already been opened, if I just put it in these mason jars that I had bought the other day for my juices, this will probably, you know, pest proof this cabinet for sure because nothing's getting inside of these. So I'm not getting ready to try to make this like a Pinterest cabinet or anything like that, but I just literally was thinking I could put a lot of the bagged stuff in these jars. And so that's what I started doing. And so most of this stuff is like Ann's little snacks, but you know, also like my cane sugars and like my coconut flakes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Dottie decided to join us.
Come on.
And look at her little ponytail sticking straight up. They are ready to be taken down today, and we probably will do just that because we do have a little photo shoot that we need to do this morning. Me and Ann partnered with, how can I say this? We partnered with a food company, something to do with food. So we're gonna do that photo shoot today here in the kitchen. What? Right, that's why I brought those pillows and stuff in this morning. It started raining last night, you know what I'm saying? So I went outside early this morning and brought the pillows in and brought whatever in. Everything's waterproof, but it just doesn't make any sense for them to sit out there and just get soaked like that. So I just went ahead and brought them in. But anyway, yeah, so guys, I also want to get some acrylic organizers for this kind of stuff as well. What's wrong, mommy? You ready to eat? It's coming. This is the kind of stuff that Anthony likes to have. I already told Anthony, like, listen. Tacos don't need taco seasoning. What is this anyway? You don't need taco seasoning. This makes it taste like Taco Bell to me. All right, last one. And like I said, you know, we did have the ant problem and we had an exterminator come out and the ants are all gone now. But, you know, they like to come back too. Like, that's what the exterminator was telling us. Like, they can, you know, come back. Which is what happened and we had to get it exterminated again. So anyway, y'all, that's all I'm doing. That's it. And I'm just popping this right up in here and we are done. That's all. That works for me. I'm having a little coffee myself. And Ann's breakfast is ready. Just some oatmeal and fruit. Are you ready, mommy? You want an apple?
Apple.
I have an apple for you. Come on, let's go sit in the chair. Come on. She's like, let me try it out just to make sure. You guys, Ann is getting so much better with eating with utensils. I'm so proud of her. And we got to go sit in the chair, hon. Come on. We gotta go sit in the chair, okay? Come on, let's go. Good morning, guys. I just got back from the gym. I'm only vlogging because I wanted to share my breakfast / lunch. So let's go take a look. I showed you guys my Buddha bowl yesterday on Instagram and y'all went crazy. I didn't expect as much love off of that post. So I decided to show you guys what I put into it. So these are all of the ingredients right here, the raw veggie ingredients. So this is a serrano chili, an avocado. I'm only gonna use half, probably. 1 whole Roma tomato. This is a little bit of red onion. You could also use like a shallot. And then some lemon, because I'm gonna squeeze some juice out of it. These are the seasonings that I'm gonna put on it. This is the secret ingredient right here, you guys, the lemon pepper. This is what's going to take it over the top. Some garlic salt. You can also use just regular salt. Some crushed red pepper because I like my shit spicy. And some black pepper. So anyway, I already cooked some quinoa with some veggie broth. You could use any kind of broth you want. And then I'm just sauteing the kale. And I just, you know, put some regular salt and pepper. And then I put some of the crushed red pepper in there as well. So now I'm about to just start plating it. Using this bowl because I love it. I think I got this from Target or something. I don't know, it's just something about it that's so cute. I'm just gonna put all the ingredients in little sections. I'm gonna start with the kale because that's gonna kind of be the bed of everything, but I'm also gonna push it over to the side so that it can be pretty when I get ready to serve it up. So I'm just gonna push it to one side. And then I'm gonna go in with my quinoa. And just put it in one of the little corners here. And I made way more than I would need because I'm gonna save this for later because I hate waiting for quinoa to cook. I like to have it already ready. Now I'm going to bring my chopped raw veggies over. I'm just gonna do, let me get a spoon. Putting lemon juice on raw veggies makes them taste pronounced as F. And then right at the end, I just season everything with the garlic salt. And then I'm gonna put the lemon pepper on everything. And some more spice. Y'all, this is so good. Like, I'm so excited right now.